Alright, what's going on YouTube? So if you've been staying in touch with my channel, you'll know that I had to take a lug nut off my driver's side to run on my passenger side for the wheel stud situation that I ran into not that long ago. And I said that I had ordered lug nuts. Well, I've been rocking 7 on each side, right? So we've got 7 right here. 1, 2, skip 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And then I've also got 7 on the other side because I had to steal a lug nut from the other side so I could run 7, 7 because this is my daily. I don't really have much options, right? So I told you all I'd order lug nuts and they got here. Now I got the Venum brand lug nuts and they were powder coated in illusion cherry, or like an illusion maroon, essentially, right? So this is what they look like right here. They are aluminum, or not aluminum, they're like a, pretty sure they're aluminum, but they are very heavy duty, right? And the coating on them is amazing. There's actually, you can see the metallic in there. I don't know if you guys can, maybe come out in sunlight. You guys can kind of see the metallic on it. The metallic and the powder coat on the lug nuts, and they feel very heavy duty. They don't feel like cheap spiked lug nuts, you know, like they'll feel pretty cheap when you get the cheap ones and they fall apart, break, the coating comes off, etc. And they also sent a specialized socket for it that is keyed. It's in a 1/2-inch drive, so you can use this to put your wheels on and off. And it comes with, as you can see here in the box, right, there's 16 on the top and 16 on the bottom, making 32, which is you can get a 32 or 24 kit. And then the packaging on it is extremely nice. So each one has its own foam slotting, and this is very, you can tell this isn't like just cheap styrofoam, it's actual like laser cut foam. So these have been packaged very well. I appreciate the quality on that. And it took, so just put this in reference, it took 4 days for it to get here to me in Hawaii, when most things take a week or longer. So like my traction bars took 5 weeks to get here. My tires, when I ordered the Nitto 420V tires, took 3 weeks to get here. That was after purchase and said it was shipped, right? So to put that in perspective for y'all, these would basically be able to get to you guys in 2 days max, mainland. And shipping was free. Shipping's free in Hawaii, or to Hawaii, it's free everywhere else, right? Now they are $189, right? But you can pick whatever color you want them to be powder coated in. They have 200 plus color options on Venum, and it is VENUM, right here. That is the name brand, right? So if you guys want to go to that website, I'll put the link right here for y'all to go to that website if you want to get some lug nuts, or if you just want to preview their selection. You guys can look at that link. Now we're gonna go ahead and install these and see what they look like on the truck. So let's go ahead and get started on that. What is going on, y'all? So one thing that I can really appreciate about the Venum lug nuts, right, is the key. So this is the key for the lug nuts that I currently have on there, right? See how it doesn't have a 1/2-inch end? You have to have a socket for it to go into to even take your wheels on and off. This socket has a 1/2-inch end in it already, right there, so you can stick it straight into your impact, your torque wrench, whatever it is you're using, and you don't have to worry about doing something like this just to get your lug nut off. So I can really appreciate that about Venum specifically. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take these lug nuts off, and then we're going to put these ones on, see what it looks like. That's what they look like in there. My wheel is a little bit dirty, but they have that nice maroon color. Also, with the impact, they held up really nice, right? There was actually no scratching or damage to even the grooves where that socket goes fits very firmly, so it doesn't damage that. And just to compare the two, like this feels very lightweight, very cheapy. It's aluminum. And then, but if you want to compare size wise, they're the same size. So if you're worried about, you know, size or depth, they're the same size as any other ones you can get, and they actually have pretty much the same end. All right, these are literally from Amazon. I bought these off Amazon for like 70 bucks, but these are the Venums. Now, they just feel so much better quality, and like I said, they didn't even scratch. The coating didn't even scratch when I put them on with the impact. I still do have to torque them down, but I'm gonna put the other three sets on, the other 3 rims, and then I'll set it on the ground, and then I'll tighten them all up with the torque wrench. Stay tuned. Alrighty y'all, so that is the lug nut install on the 96 12 valve. They are, again, the Venum lug nuts. Highly recommend. So far, great quality and product. I'm probably gonna actually get these wheels powder coated next, just so the red stands out a touch more, the maroon, and get a few other things done. Stay tuned for those videos to follow. If you guys would like to like and subscribe on the channel down below, that'd be wonderful. Bring some support to the channel. Also, again, merch is available at KFM Design 2 on Etsy.com, right? The link will be right here for y'all. Go to that store, check it out. There's some merch for everybody. Wives, kids, moms, dads, you know, yourself. There's merch for everybody on there, so go ahead and check it out. Also, my Instagram page, FJ_wheels. You'll see a lot of pictures of this truck, and soon to come other trucks on the island, and will be in mainland eventually. Yeah, go for it. Y'all have a wonderful day, and if you like these lug nuts, again, the link is right here for y'all to click that link and go to the channel or the website for these lug nuts so you can order some of your own.